Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Caesar, and today I am I am playing Flood Escape, which I have played, but in a long time ago, which I'm kind of bad at. That's why I pretty much never played it again. See, look at these people; they're literally just rushing through it. But anyways, if you're new here, hit that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notifications, and yeah, just so you know when I'm gonna make a video. Come on. See, these people are so good. Look at that beard. It's like a Viking. Oh, never mind. Hey, this guy's going so fast. This is like such fast pace. Okay. 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 How long is this? This looks really long. Oh, come on. I believe he's a Viking. Okay, just go the other way. Why are you missing? Oh, never mind. Oh, he made it. Ooh, someone just failed the jump. Man, I failed that jump. Never failed the jump, bro. Okay, come on. Hurry up. It's about to end. Okay, next one. Ready? This one's hard. Uh-oh, this one's not good. I think there might be an air bubble. Oh, yeah, let's go. Air bubble in this one. That gives you like 300 air. This did not break anything. Okay. Time to go. Toodaloo. We gotta do parkour to this. So, yeah. I'm so bad at this one. I need to follow people just so I can follow someone. Let's follow Devin Rocks. Come on, dive. It's not letting me dive. What? Hello? Oh, I so messed up. I lost. I literally lost. Someone literally just died, and I'm about to be the second. Come on. Nope. Go down. No. Oh my. Why is this? Oh my god. This is why Roblox on mobile is not really that good. Oh, no. Go up. Where do you go? So, where do you go? Oh my god. Of course. I'm literally gonna die. Oh, please. Let's go! First try. And I thought I was gonna die. Oh, let's go. Okay, one win. Okay, this one's insane. Oh, I can already tell. I can pretty much already tell. It's literally already lava. Hey, what? What? What do you... Where's the button? Oh, it's up there. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna go for it. Because I can't make all that parkour. Anyways, I literally did that. Okay, where's the next one? Where is it? Oh, it's all the way up there. That looks so far. Oh, it's lava. Oh, no, the floor is lava. Oh, the meme is real. No! Okay. Come on, okay. Now let me press that. Okay, there we go. Come on, let's go. We gotta go back. Geico, gotta go. Wait, what? You have to go. Bruh. I feel so bad in case I might die. Where do we go now? I can't even come up the ladder, man. What is this? I'm so bad. And obviously, we need to go down. Oh! But this guy already lost. So, yeah. I can already tell. And 0. Oh, never mind. And 0. Okay. Oh, man. This game is really like fast paced. I mean, it kind of depends on the map as well. Oh, why are they all hard? Like, why are they all hard? Okay, come on. But it's not letting me. Oh, okay. So yes, it is. Never mind. This trash. Oh. God. Where do we go? I literally had no idea what to do on this one. Like, at all. Like, no clue. Come on. I'm gonna spectate someone. Oh, dang. They have a nice tank. Oh, why did she just kill herself? I think that was the wrong way. Okay, last person. Wait, what? Oh, wait, what? What just happened? Hello? Oh! Oh, I just did something. Oh, never mind. No one's left. Okay. Why is there no music? Okay, well. Oh, this one looks hard. Oh, I know what to do. Oh, okay. So it's like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Oh, perfect, man. I'm so good. Oh my god, I'm actually so bad. This is gonna make me rage. Like, this is like a rage game. If you want to rage, then just play this game. Don't recommend playing it on mobile, because you might. It's kind of hard on mobile, not even gonna lie. I mean, for me, that's my opinion. Oh, dang, this guy's a boss. The Viking's a boss. No, gee. Oh, just for that? Okay, oof. Oof. Okay, let's go. Why do they keep putting insanes? Like, why? Just why? Just why? Please, why? Okay, well, anyway, let's go. Oh, whoa, this guy already died. What do you do? Oh, this one again. Oh, this one again. This one. But I really had no clue what to do on this. What do you do on this? You have to get all the way up to up there. Oh! Oh! You have to go right there! I'm so bad. Okay. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Okay. At least I know that map now. At least I know that map. Oh, this guy. This guy's really good. Oh, he did. Dang it. No one can pass that, like, ever. Oh, this one is cool. What is this? Oh! Just. Oh, what do you do? Come on. Oh, let's go. Nope. He's going to get it. It's always me left. I don't know why. Everyone just dies so fast. Okay, can I do something? Can they not die though? Oh, where's the next? The next plane's all the way over there, Nani? Okay, never mind. I guess someone got it. Let's go. Oh, okay. I'm gonna get Is there another button anywhere? This looks suspicious. I'm going. Oh, never mind. There's an next button. What am I talking about? Ooh, this painting as well. Oh, never mind. I guess they don't do that. Really? Has no one even tried to go get it? I'm dead. I'm so gonna die. Did it on my first try? No! Well, I was the last one left, wasn't I? Yeah. Lost Desert? Why are they all insane? Explain me. Explain to me. Explain to me. Why are they all insane? What? That jump's impossible. I swear, that jump looks impossible. Bro, this jump looks impossible. I swear, this jump is gonna be. Oh, never mind. I was really about to say this jump is about to be trailing. So, Devin rocks. Come on. Oh, wait, what? That's just for the button. Oh, no, that's. No, I pressed the. Oh my god, no. I can't get out. I'm literally glitched. My head was glitched. I couldn't do anything. My head was literally glitched. Come on. Super guy didn't... Wait, did not help us press... Wow, you're blaming it on me, man? Okay, well, that's just messed up. Who said that? Noob XDR. Okay. I know you're good and all that stuff, but you don't have to say that. Okay. Hurry up. He's probably still... Yeah. Oh, wait, no, he's not even on. He's dead. It's just bacon here. Ooh. I don't know if you really have to jump. Okay, come on. No! No! Okay. I'm gonna go for one more win. Come on. When can I get a win? Come on, hurry. I had another account on this. It was like Jane underscore like 101, and I literally own like everything in the shop. I'm not even lying. I own this. I own even these. Even I own like the blue one because I like blue and I could buy it. And I own like this invisible one. Until I don't even know. I forgot my password or something. Or I don't know, like my account got. I don't know. Okay, maybe I could pass this. You know, I'm actually could be useful. Noob XD. I'll rub it in my face. No! Oh! No! Wait, what? Wait, what? What? You don't die when you come in this? Oh, okay, that's cool. I'll take that. So whenever you normally die. Oh, did someone go to get it? There you go. I always have to get used to where I have to tap. If I miss this, it's all over. No! I'm so bad. Just understand that. I'm so bad. I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna pass. This guy, I believe in you. Okay, come on. Come on. One of them literally just died. Oh, everyone just died. Oh, of course we get hard. Where's the music? Oh, set by developer. What is this? Get up! My feet are stuck! Oh. I'm trash. Okay, I'm gonna end it there. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, make sure to hit that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on that notifications and yeah, tell me if you want more and I'll do more. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.